How to make your long-distance relationship last longer. It's always a challenge to keep a long-distance relationship from breaking apart, aside from the fact that it can become complicated because of the limits that both time and distance can set on your relationship. A long-distance relationship will also test your patience, love for your partner, and, most importantly, love for yourself. If you think that you're on the brink of breaking up just because you can't handle the stress and the complications of being in a long-distance relationship, you've come to the right place. This video will give you some helpful tips on how to make your long-distance relationship last longer. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button bell. Thanks for supporting our channel. Here are the things that you can start doing as early as today. 1. Delete the phrase "I'm too busy" from your vocabulary. Most long-distance relationships don't last because couples often get caught up in unexpected responsibilities outside of their relationship. While it's essential to fulfill your duties as an adult, student, or even a young professional, you should never be too busy for your partner. Agreeing to be in a relationship means promising to be there for your partner, no matter how tired and busy you, especially when they need someone to lean on. You don't have to neglect your other responsibilities, but make an effort to make them feel that you also want to spend time with them. 2. Prioritize personal growth. How can personal growth help your long-distance relationship last longer? People who focus on personal growth don't depend on others to feel happy and loved. Instead, on their own, they feel content and secure because they know that they're replaceable. Insecurities in a relationship are one of the most common reasons why most couples break up. But if a person feels happy and content, if a person knows her worth and feels confident about herself and her achievements, then there will be no room for this negativity to affect their relationship. 3. Don't go looking for flaws and faults where there are none. Sometimes, people tend to create drama either because they think something is wrong, even if there's none, or crave their partner's attention. If it's the attention you want, this option is effective. But don't expect something good to come out of it. Stop complicating simple problems in your relationship or exaggerating your reaction about something, because if you keep doing these things, it's just a matter of time until your partner feels tired of it all. 4. Keep your communications open even when you're fighting. If you still want to make your long-distance relationship work after a fight, make sure that you're not closing all your doors and burning bridges impulsively. Never decide between kicking them out of your life just because you're feeling angry at the moment. Keep your lines open and give them a chance to reach out to you even if you still don't feel like talking. For your partner, just seeing you online or knowing that they can always give you a call will make them feel assured that it is not yet over and that you still don't want it to be over. 5. Stay away from things and people that are bad for you. Toxic people and harmful activities are a deadly combination that can be lethal to couples in a long-distance relationship. It can either weaken your bond as a partner or can even totally break your relationship, because these two often lead to bad decisions, and not to mention temptations. As much as possible, stay away from these things that can ruin your relationship. It's alright to end unhealthy friendships, and it should be your goal to quit your bad habits. 6. Stop counting the days, but always remember the special dates. Your time away from your partner can make you feel impatient and unmotivated to live a fulfilled life. This is because you tend to count every hour and even every second that you're not with them. This is a draining habit and should be stopped right away. Instead, focus and look forward to the special dates, your anniversary, their birthday, their vacations, your travel plans together, etc. Rather than feeling sad and frustrated about how time moves so slowly, feel excited about the great things that you can do together in the future. 7. Learn to show and express love, and not just through words. It's hard to express how much you love your partner especially if you're not physically together. This is true if you're not good with words, and you're not the poetic type when it comes to being sweet or romantic. However, this doesn't mean that telling them how much you love them is impossible. You can show how you feel through your actions, your habits, and even just your willingness to do your part as a lover, a friend, and a companion. 8. Respect your commitment by staying loyal to your partner. Stay loyal to your partner no matter how you think it feels good to give in to temptations. Some couples in a long-term, long-distance relationship didn't make it just because of one single mistake. One of them broke their promise of loyalty, and they made the biggest mistake of their life by cheating on their partner. The bad decisions that you make in just a minute or two can destroy your relationship forever. While it's still possible to fix it, don't expect things to stay the same. 9. List down short and long-term goals for your relationship. Last but the most important piece of advice is to list down all the goals you have as a couple. To make a long-distance relationship last longer, you have to create a clear picture of where you will be in 5 to 10 years. Looking forward to this life together makes a couple's bond more robust, because they know that their long-distance relationship is just a part of the process towards a happier life together. It takes a lot of effort to make a long-distance relationship last longer, but it doesn't mean that every step is tedious and exhausting. Besides, if you genuinely love that person, trying to make your long-distance relationship work won't feel like a responsibility or a burden, but a fulfilling effort of love and self-discovery, and that it will all be worth it when you're finally together for good. Distance never separates two hearts that really care. Share a lot. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.